Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and signal. If your headphones are wireless, make sure battery is above 50% and Bluetooth is paired. If wired, ensure the plug is fully seated. Once done, open the device volume control and the app's audio settings to verify neither is capped or muted. You do this because low power or dual soft limits commonly reduce maximum loudness. Addressing them first avoids more invasive steps and narrows the real cause quickly. You now move into system-level fixes. Choose the correct audio output in sound settings and raise both master and application volumes to maximum. Next, update or reinstall the audio driver or headphone firmware. Drivers can impose software limits, so refreshing them often restores full gain. Disable any audio enhancements, limiters, or loudness normalization because these features compress peaks and lower perceived volume. Once done, restart your device to apply driver and firmware changes before testing loudness again. You finish by isolating hardware. Try a different cable, adapter, or source device to confirm whether the headphones or the source limits volume. If inline controls or connectors look dirty or corroded, power down and clean connector surfaces with 90% plus isopropyl swabs. Corrosion raises resistance and lowers volume. If you still hear low output, use a compact headphone amplifier to test gain. It proves whether the drivers are healthy. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.